Children, this is 10th standard biology. So in this class we learn about the circulatory system of rabbit. Okay ma? So you know that circulatory system, it is related to heart. Yes. So circulatory system is formed of blood vessels and heart. Okay, blood vessels and heart. Heart is pear-shaped. Heart is pear-shaped structure. It lies in thoracic cavity. It lies in which cavity ma? Thoracic cavity. In between the lungs. எதுக்கு எடைக்குள்ள லங்ஸுக்கு எடையில். ஓகே, then it enclosed by pericardium. Okay, yeah. So you know that. So it is in that pericardial layer. Okay, amma. So this is called pericardium. So that heart is covered by pericardium. Already you have to study that lungs. Lungs is covered by pleura. You know that in the class we learned this. Yes. Okay. So a double layer membrane structure, that is called pericardium. Okay. That is called pericardium. The heart is how many chamber? Just you see that here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many chambers? 4 chamber. Okay. So 2 auricles. So in that upper one is auricle, the lower one is ventricle. You know that. So that upper side, this is auricle, this is ventricle. You know that. Yes. So it is that 4 chambers, that is right auricle and right ventricle, left auricle and also left ventricle. And also left ventricle. Okay ma? In that. Next, that right and left auricles. So right and left auricle. Okay, yeah. So this right and left auricle separated. So both of them are separated by interauricular septum. Interauricular septum. Okay, Yama, separated by interauricular septum. Similarly, in that same, in that right and left ventricles are separated by interventricular septum. That is auricular septum. This is ventricular septum. You know the difference? Yes. So this is the auricular and ventricular septum. The right auricle opens into the right ventricle. The right auricles opens into the right ventricles. Okay ma? The right auricle open into the right ventricle. Right auricles open into right ventricle. So open into here, right ventricle. You know that. Yes. By right auriculoventricular aperture. எதன் மூலமா? Right auriculoventricular aperture. Okay ma? So it is guarded by a tricuspid wall. இது வந்து எதனால பாதுகாக்கப்படுது? One of the wall. That is tricuspid wall. Okay. Tricuspid wall is situated in that right auricle and right ventricle, between the right auricle and right ventricle. Okay ma? The left auricle open into the left ventricle. Here also the same, left auricle open into the left ventricle. Okay, here. Then it is by left auriculoventricular aperture. Left auriculoventricular aperture. Okay ma? So that guarded by a bicuspid wall. So it is guarded by bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall, you know that. Here tricuspid and here bicuspid. Okay. So another is called mitral wall. So here is a mitral wall. Okay ma? Yes. That opening of pulmonary artery and aorta. That opening of pulmonary artery. You see that pulmonary artery? Yes. So that pulmonary artery is inside that. So left pulmonary artery is here. Okay, yeah. So that pulmonary artery is guarded. That opening of pulmonary artery and also aorta. And also aorta. It is guarded by 3 semilunar valves. So that pulmonary veins, the left pulmonary artery, it is guarded by semilunar valves. Okay. So that semi-lunar valves. So 3 valves, you know that is tricuspid, bicuspid and semi-lunar valves. Then that right auricle receives, so this side that right auricle receives which blood, deoxygenated blood through the two precaval means superior vena cava, okay ma, superior vena cava, precaval vein, okay. So here one precaval vein, another here one precaval vein. So both these two precaval vein. So that is the superior vena cava. It is also known as superior vena cava. So this superior vena cava and one post caval. Post caval, where is it? Here. Here is post caval. Okay, Amma. So this one. Both this one post caval, that is inferior vena cava veins from all parts of the body. So deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body. The left auricle receives here that same left, right auricle deoxygenated blood, here left auricle receives what ma, oxygenated blood from the pulmonary veins, from that lungs, okay, from the pulmonary veins, from the lungs.